Hi friends, welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing a smart and helpful girl who's doing something super important. She's washing her hands. We're going to learn when, why, and how to wash our hands the right way, and it's more fun than you might think. And hey, if you love drawing and learning with us, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us again next time. Washing hands is one of the easiest ways to stay healthy and clean. We wash our hands before eating, after playing outside, after using the bathroom, and after blowing our nose. Can you name a time when you wash your hands? Maybe after painting or touching your pet. Washing helps get rid of germs, tiny things we can't see that make us feel icky. Let's pretend. Our girl just came inside after jumping in muddy puddles. Her hands are brown and sticky. Oh no! She turns on the water, adds soap, and starts scrubbing. Squish, squish, squish. She sings the ABCs while rubbing her hands. Did you know that's the perfect amount of time? After rinsing and drying with a clean towel, her hands are sparkling clean and ready for a snack. Can you pretend to wash your hands with her? Rub, scrub, rinse, dry, high five! Here's a funny fact. If you don't dry your hands, germs can stick around like tiny bugs on a water slide. And soap is like a superhero. It grabs the dirt and germs and washes them away. Did you know we touch our faces hundreds of times a day without even knowing it? That's why clean hands matter so much. What's your favorite kind of soap? Foamy, fruity, or sparkly? Washing hands isn't just for kids. Grown-ups do it too. Doctors, chefs, artists, and everyone in between. Let's remember, wash after the bathroom and before you eat. Use soap and sing a song while you scrub. Rinse well and dry all the way. Would you like to teach someone how to wash their hands? Maybe your doll, your teddy bear, or even your pet rock. Yay! We finished our drawing of a smart, happy girl with squeaky clean hands. And now you know how to keep hands clean too. drawing and learning with us today. You did an awesome job. If you had fun, give us a big clean thumbs up and subscribe so we can draw and learn together next time. Bye for now, and don't forget, wash, rinse, dry, and smile.